Today I'm going to show you how to download and install a digital compass on your Android phone. Is that your iPhone or Android? Just get to the same purpose. All you need to do is go to your Play Store. Open your Play Store. You're going to search for digital compass. You can see for Android, and you're gonna see the compass here. Anyone that you want is a Muslim prayer compass, digital compass. Just click on it. Then once you click on it, you're going to say install. So let's click on it. So this one is a purchase, so I'm going to go and find the one that is not in app purchase. That is not in app purchase. Let me see, this one is also an in-app purchase on this one. Okay, this one is not in app, so I'm going to click on okay. This one is also in app purchase. That means you're going to pay for it for you to be able to download it. Let's say this one. So just go and find the one that is not in app. Okay, this one is also an in-app purchase. So I'm going to put free. So I'm going to see the one that is free here. So this one. Okay, this one compass, digital compass is free. So I'm going to click on install, and automatically I'll be able to install it, and it's very free. Some guys note there are some that are not free. That means you're going to pay for it to be able to download it, and there are some that is free. Just only compass, digital compass. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see the one that is free. Get it, and you'll be able to install it. You can see we have started installing. So you can see we have installed it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.